Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Briaco, the Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you again for your support. Keep it up. Keep spreading the word. The more people we can reach, the better. So take your time, closing your eyes, and going within. And just hold that intent, and the intent will make it so. Letting go of any other concerns and just focusing on going within. Taking time for you. And at this time, let us hold the intent of connecting with our guides and with our angels. Our highest spirit guides, our angels. Going within your heart. Sensing that love and that light from your angels already. They're all around you. And as you welcome them in, feel their presence even more. Imagine beautiful light all around you, reassuring you all is well, all is in divine order. With an open mind and an open heart, let us completely open up to their messages they have for us at this time. And the first message is to surrender and release. So take this time to let go. Let go of any heaviness, any stresses, any concerns. Anything that you're holding on to that's weighing you down, and you can feel it weighing you down. Anything that feels heavy for you, heavy to deal with, you just want to let go of it once and for all. Now is the time. Now is the time to let go of those issues, those concerns, and hand them off to your angels. Let them take care of them for you. Release it to them. It is safe for you to do so. It's in your highest good. And see yourself doing that now. Sense yourself doing it now, and allow yourself to do it now. Going within those heavy areas. Bring them in your hands and hand them off to your angels, and feeling that release. Taking a great big breath and letting it all go. And opening up to the messages from your angels to see what else they have to say. And this time, a beautiful angel spreads her wings in front of you, and she brings you a message of divine guidance. She encourages you to continue to connect with your guides and with your angels, reassuring you it's safe to do so, that you can. Just hold that intent, and it makes it so. And hold on to that knowing. Open your heart, open your soul, be receptive to the impressions that come through, the guidance that comes through, the answers that come through, the nudges that come through. All of them are there to help you. Learning to trust yourself, trusting what you're receiving, that divine guidance. Feeling your way through it from your heart, trusting that the messages are coming from a loving place. Sensing that and feeling that and allowing the messages to come to you. seeing that light coming to you like stars, trusting them, knowing that they are there to help you. Take another big breath. And this time, the angels bring you a message from your soulmate. They let you know that you are loved, that you are adored, that you have a special connection with your soulmate, that you have a special connection with all of those around you, that they all love you, all there to help you, and in particular there's someone special there. And just sense and feel who they are. Trusting their divine guidance, trusting the impressions that are coming through. Recognizing these beautiful souls truly are here to help you grow, and to ascend and be your highest self. They're here to show you how to be loved, how to love yourself, how to allow yourself to be loved, to reflect you, to love you, to show you how to love yourself. See yourself in a great big heart, beautiful energy of love within you and around you, being that connection with the special soul and all the souls around you, knowing that you are loved, bathed in love. Breathing those beautiful messages into your heart, opening up to another message. And this message comes to you from the angels, and it's about the signs. They encourage you to be open and receptive to the signs that come to you and all around you in all different forms. To keep your eyes open, your heart open, your spirit open, your soul open, your hands, your arms, to be open and receptive and aware of the signs happening all around you. When you look around and you see something or hear something or feel something and you wonder if that's a sign, know that it is. And accept that sign in whatever form it comes. Allow that message to come through and accept it, not worrying about anything else, accepting the guidance, knowing it's there to help you. Signs come in all different forms. You'll know it when you see it. Trust yourself, trust the signs, trust the divine guidance. And finally, the angels bring you a message about ideas and inspirations. And they remind you to listen to your inspirations, those beautiful ideas that come to you, those bursts of light that appear within you and through you. Feel them, sense them, accept them. Whatever you desire, whatever you wish to do, want to do, when you get that energy to do it, allow yourself to let it come to fruition. Ride that wave of energy and fulfill it, knowing that it is safe and that you can trust yourself and your divine guidance. Your ideas and inspirations are trustworthy. Taking all these beautiful messages, thanking the guides and all the angels, bringing all those beautiful messages and energies back into your physical body now, back to your mental, emotional, physical body, back to this time, back to this place. Taking your time, coming back now, slowly. Remembering all these beautiful messages, getting ready to open your eyes and to follow through on them. Thank you everybody for joining me. Have a wonderful day.